What'd you get?
Hatchimal.
How'd you get that?
I want to poop.
You want poop?
Yeah.
In the toilet?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
How was it?
Oh.
Huh?
I don't know.
Good morning, guys. It is August 9th on a Wednesday, and it is starting to sprinkle this morning. We need some rain. I hope we get some rain. If it rains, the guys will just work in the shop for a little bit this morning. Change more blades, grease equipment, and all that good stuff. I'm trying to find my keys. Yeah, Nick is back. Nick is coming back today, and yeah, so
From my weed whacker yard.
sorry for your loss, man.
Thanks. Yeah, I'm not describing that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was crazy. I thought she, I left on Sunday night, and I thought there's no way she's gonna make it through the night. It's nice though, cause there's like some people that are on planes and driving, and they got, she couldn't talk, but they got to say goodbye before she was gone. So
Yeah. Visitation Friday, you said?
it's Saturday. Everything is Saturday.
Okay, Saturday.
Yep.
Morning. We'll wait
Shorts
till
on?
inside.
Yeah, change that. It's been
And then
chilly
go on
out.
Friday, right? Yeah. Alright guys, it is sprinkling. Nick is back. I'm not sure if it will lift all, but try it. If it doesn't, just take another pallet. I'd just take another pallet just in case too. So. And then if it just downpours, then just come back and the Bobcat mowers, just put new blades on it.
Okay.
And clean the deck. Yep. If it gets to the point where you guys can't even work in it. It is sprinkling. Hopefully we get rain. If it rains, I hope it rain all day so that we get our grass back in green, because this mowing we just literally cut down, guys. It just literally shut off. So yeah. Go ahead. I'll show you how to unhook that. What he's doing is we got to take the bigger skid loader to the job site just because it can unload the pallets. The 773, it can't handle that much weight for the on the pallet. So. Alright guys, the reason why Nick was gone for a week and a half, or like for a few days, is because his mom passed away. And his mom passed away from some kind of a cancer that's in the brain, and it just spread so fast that, she passed away, I think, Tuesday. Yeah, so funeral is going to be on Saturday, and visitation. They're just going to get it all done all at once. And so, yeah, I think maybe Nick, you know, came back just to get off, get off his mind. Came back, do a little work. I think it's sometimes work can be therapeutic, you know. So yeah, I'm glad he's back, and we get rolling on keep moving and keep growing. So it is raining. The guys are just gonna drop off the material, and then they're gonna come back, sharpen the blades on the Bobcat mowers. Alright guys, though it might be raining, you know, there's always something to do in the shop, in the garage, maintenance. It doesn't end. Get those sharpened and blades changed. There's the blades, they gotta sharpen those yet, so and then the skid loader windshield wipers need to be replaced, so they'll do that. Raining guys, raining, which is good. We needed this, so yeah. I am at Henning Rental, and I've got to pick up a nut for the windshield wipers. We lost a nut on the windshield wipers, and come pay my bill as well. So